Did you know that the every vitamins you pop each morning, trusting they'll keep you vibrant and strong, could be silently sapping the strength from your legs, threatening your independence, and setting you up for falls that could change your life forever? For those over 60, the belief that more supplements equal better health is a dangerous myth, one that could cost you your mobility, confidence, and freedom. Three popular vitamins, often taken with the best intentions, can quietly weaken your muscles, brittle your bones, and even damage your nerves, leading to stumbles, fractures, or worse, a life confined to a chair. Before it's too late, let's uncover these hidden culprits. Vitamins E, A, and B6 reveal why they're hazardous and explore smarter ways to protect your strength and vitality. First, let's talk about vitamin E, the so-called miracle supplement hailed for decades as a fountain of youth, promising heart health, glowing skin, and anti-aging magic. Many seniors swallow it daily, hoping to stay spry. But this fat-soluble nutrient doesn't just pass through your body like vitamin C. It lingers, building up in your liver and tissues. When taken in excess, especially above 400 IU daily, common in over-the-counter pills, it can disrupt muscle metabolism and neuromuscular function, quietly eroding the strength in your legs. Picture this: a slight wobble when standing, a bit more fatigue while walking, or a hesitation before stepping off a curb. It's easy to chalk these up to just getting older. But the truth is sinister. Excess vitamin E can weaken the muscles supporting your knees and hips, making you reliant on a cane or walker sooner than you think. Worse, it thins your blood, especially risky if you're on anticoagulants, raising the odds of bruising, internal bleeding, or catastrophic falls. Imagine a simple trip turning deadly because your legs can't catch you and your body bleeds too easily. These changes creep in silently, with no warning label, masquerading as aging while stealing your mobility. Now let's turn to vitamin A, another fat-soluble vitamin praised for boosting immunity, vision, and skin health. It's in your multivitamin, cod liver oil, or fortified foods, and you might think it's harmlessly supporting your aging body. But too much vitamin A, surprisingly easy to overdo, builds up in your liver and tissues, spelling trouble. Studies show high levels accelerate bone loss, especially in your hips and legs, the very bones that keep you upright and independent. For seniors with already thinning bones, this can turn a minor misstep into a life-altering fracture. But it's not just your skeleton at risk. Excess vitamin A weakens the muscles that stabilize your legs, leaving you with nagging aches, fatigue, or a creeping sense that walking is harder than it used to be. You might avoid stairs, skip walks, or stay home more, blaming age when the real culprit is that healthy pill you take each morning. These subtle shifts reshape your life, chipping away at your confidence and freedom, all because a vitamin you trusted was working against you. And if that's not shocking enough, let's talk about vitamin B6, the energy booster found in multivitamins and brain health supplements, marketed to keep you sharp and active. Unlike other water-soluble vitamins, B6 doesn't just flush out when you overdo it. It can build up and turn toxic, especially at doses above 100 milligrams daily, common in over-the-counter formulas. This toxicity attacks the nerves in your legs and feet, causing peripheral neuropathy, a devastating condition that starts with tingling toes, then spreads to numbness, unsteady steps, and a feeling that your legs aren't yours. You might trip over nothing, dread stairs, or lose confidence in your balance, avoiding outings or social events out of fear of falling. The worst part, this nerve damage can be permanent, lingering long after you stop the supplement, leaving you with weak, numb legs that rob you of independence. The emotional toll is just as brutal, losing the ability to walk to the park, cook without help, or visit loved ones steals not just mobility, but dignity. These three vitamins, E, A, and B6, aren't rare dangers. They're in the bottles seniors trust daily, often taken without a doctor's guidance, assuming vitamins are always safe. But your body at 60, 70, or beyond doesn't handle nutrients like it did at 30. The margin for error shrinks as muscles weaken, bones thin, and organs slow. Yet this isn't just about vitamins. There's a bigger, sneakier threat. The habit of sitting too long, moving too little, and letting inactivity creep into your life. Prolonged sitting, common in modern routines, accelerates muscle loss and bone fragility faster than any pill. Your legs, built to carry you through decades, weaken not from age but from disuse, making every step a gamble. This isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. You're here because you value your strength, your freedom, the life you've built. So what do? Start with awareness. Look at your supplement bottles. Check the doses. Ask yourself, do I need this? Has my doctor approved it? Labels promising heart health or energy can mislead, and your unique body deserves precision, not guesswork. Next, talk to a doctor who understands aging, not just general health. Demand a nutrient panel to check your vitamin levels. Numbers don't lie. If you're overloading on E, A, or B6, they'll show it. Then shift your focus to real food, lean meats, whole grains, fresh vegetables, and healthy fats nourish better than any pill. Supplements have a place, but they're not a substitute for a balanced diet and active life. And speaking of active, let's confront that silent killer, inactivity. Get up, move, walk, stretch. Every step strengthens your legs, sharpens your balance, and guards your independence. Even small changes, like standing during TV commercials or taking short walks, add up. As someone who's lived through decades of change, I've seen friends lose their spark, not to illness, but to habits they didn't question, pills they trusted, chairs they sat in too long. I've felt the fear of a wobbly step, the dread of a looming fall, but I've also learned that strength isn't gone. It's waiting for you to claim it. Aging isn't surrender. It's a call to be smarter, to listen to your body, to challenge routines that no longer serve you. You have power, time, and choices. Don't let a well-meaning vitamin or a sedentary day steal the walks, the laughter, the life you deserve. Act now. Review your supplements, move your body, talk to your doctor. Your legs, your confidence, your future, they're worth fighting for. So take a moment, reflect. What's one step you'll take today to protect your strength? Share it because your wisdom can inspire others. Let's walk this path together, steady and strong, proving that aging isn't about loss. It's about living with purpose, clarity, and unshakable resolve.